Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products for you. Today, we're diving into the best folding domino tables on the market, the VECELO folding card table and chair set. Whether you're hosting family game night, poker sessions, or simply need extra space for dining, this set has you covered. Let's take a closer look at why this product stands out. The VECELO folding card table and chair set is designed with versatility and convenience in mind. Its foldable design makes it super easy to store away when you're not using it, and it's lightweight enough to be carried around for outdoor activities like picnics, barbecues, or camping trips. The set comes with one square table and 4 padded folding chairs, offering a compact solution for up to 4 adults. The table itself measures 34 inches by 34 inches, providing a perfect amount of space for card games like dominoes, board games, or even casual meals. But this isn't just any folding table. The sturdy construction is a key feature. Made with commercial-grade steel and an MDF tabletop, this set ensures durability and long-lasting use. It's built to hold up to 140 pounds on the table and 200 pounds on each chair, so you can rely on it for various activities. The locking legs are a thoughtful safety feature, preventing any accidental collapses while in use. Additionally, anti-slip feet caps ensure that the table stays securely in place, preventing scratches and slips on your floors. What makes this set even better is its easy maintenance. The vinyl padded tabletop is not only comfortable but also simple to clean with just a damp cloth, so no more worrying about spills or stains. The design is sleek and modern, with a black finish that fits well in any room, whether it's a living room, game room, or dining area. When it comes to comfort, the padded chairs are a great addition, offering a cozy seating experience for extended game sessions. And don't worry about assembly. This set comes fully assembled, so you can start using it right out of the box without any hassle. The VECELO folding card table and chair set is perfect for anyone who loves hosting game nights, playing dominoes, or simply needs a reliable, easy-to-store table for various purposes. It's lightweight, portable, and easy to maintain, making it a great investment for your home or outdoor activities. So, if you're looking for the best foldable dominoes table, the VECELO set is definitely one to consider. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and be sure to check out our other reviews for more amazing products. See you next time.